Good day. Today we'll be doing a quick overview video on how to install your clear see-through sleeve on your outdoor cylinder smart lock. All you require for this installation is a small Phillips screwdriver, the clear sleeve, and the provided additional bezel. For starters, all you would need to do is take out the small screw located on the bottom of your lock. Rotating it counterclockwise, it will come off the top. Take your clear sleeve, using 2 fingers on either side, give it a bit of a stretch out, ensuring there's no dust, particulates or any large matter that's inside of it. Take your cylinder lock and slowly start to stretch it over. The front side only needs to go as far as that first big groove, and then it'll seat nice and snugly against the front set. Once you're happy about the front set, you'll slot into the little groove underneath the fingerprint sensor, and then for the back, you just slowly go backwards. Once you're happy with their fit, there's no dust or particles that have become wedged between them, ensuring that lip at the back there is nicely covered. Take the new included bezel. This one will not have a lip around the outside. Lining up the screw fixings, take it a few degrees out, slot it over the top and rotate it clockwise. You can then proceed to screw in this, and that'll fit nicely onto there.